I dragged Pavel out of the noose, and he says he's going to take me as close to Polis as possible. Then I'll contact the Order and report on everything that has happened. The path to the legendary theater lies through the catacombs. I've never been here before, and without my new friend, I'd probably be completely lost. I hope he knows the way.
That's the way to do it, bro! Just like the Three Musketeers, if there were two of them. You ever read the book? Really confusing, but I fucking love it. Always wanted to be Athos. You can be D'Artagnan, huh? Alright, we're short on time. We go to theater from here, then you off the Polis. I head back home to the Red Line, okay? I don't like how they gave up the chase and locked the gate behind us. Not a good sign. Shit!
Fifth, come in! Andre! Fifth here. Cut the lights in that gun. There. Now. Got that?
That it? Ё-моё! The hell? We just have to see about that. There's no retreat spot. The Mutants right behind us. Forward! Stop! Блять. That's why the Nazis cut the lights. These things hate it. Okay, Spartan, a short lesson. Bullets won't cut it here. But since they are afraid of light, let's take the light to them, okay? Now don't you turn that light off. Understand, we're in a world of hurt without it. Cave-in? Looks like they blew the tunnel up. Maybe something on the other side they couldn't stop with bullets. Wait. I feel a draft. There's got to be a way through somewhere. Artyom, help me with this. Shit! Cobwebs all around. Так. These little ones couldn't make all of this. There must be bigger beasts around. Чувак, be careful not to wake them up. Shit! They're close! Wait, Artyom, don't rush. Careful here. Looks clear to me. Let's go. A shaft. That's high. Definitely no climbing up this one. Okay. Let's hope the elevator works all right. Yes! Generator online. Clear. Monsieur? Let's take this baby for a ride, huh? So, are we going? What the... Why did it stop? Breakers out or what? Shit. Come on! Блять! They heard us. You, my, we're right in their fucking nest. Shit! That's a lot of them. He's got the wall! The elevator won't take enough weight! Eat this, bitch! See its belly? That's the only vulnerable spot! Their top armor's just too tough! Okay, Artyom, if we run into one of these things, put your light on it till it flips belly up, you understand? The bastards hate the light more than anything. Come on, follow me. Fucking bitch! Artyom! Light! Right, блядь! There you have it, bitch! Phew. Thanks, чувак. One for all, huh? Here! The bridge. I read it. The other shouldn't be far now.
Oh, that's high.
Let's move! Gah! Them again! Hold them off, Artyom! I'll try to get us over! Great! This will do it! Artyom! Come help me pull this out! Do like I do. Into the car. You see the spot? Here to black. Shoot it while it's belly up! Here, I'll give you a lift. Shit! Get inside! Artyom, ahead! Faster, move it! Here! Ready? Let's go! You alright, Artyom? Come on! Let's go! Right, yeah! Let's go! How do you like this, bitches? What? Okay, we're safe here. Wait a minute, Artyom, it's dead without the light. Let me make a torch or something. Alright! Light up! Alright, let's go! close to me! Get close! Sure! Sure! Shit, looks like there's an electric lock. Okay, the wires go... Ah, over there. Hey, look, that's Anya. We've got the light. If you follow the wires, there should be a fuse box somewhere. Used to power the gate, but the battery is surely dead now. When you find it, attach your charger to it. Then we'll try to open the door, okay? Oh, that was cool. Genius. Good thinking. Ready? Okay. First up. Follow me.
We're almost at the theater now. The metro entrance should be pretty close. But however small the distance is, we'll have to cover it on the surface. And there, every step you take could well be your last.
Chuvak, we're here. Pull yourself together. We don't have long before nightfall, okay? Okay, with the tunnel collapsed, the only way to reach the escalator down to theater station is cross the surface. And trust me, we don't want to be caught out here in the fucking dark. Oppa, we're in luck, Artyomich! This place seems lived in. Rangers probably, I don't know. And when there are rangers... Shit! Short of fielders. We'll have to make do. Now come on, take what you need. We're all brothers in the metro. Hey, приятель, I could use a good watch like yours. Knowing how much air you got left is a must, huh? You know, I've heard of things roaming around that even bullets can stop. You have been through some bad shit, I know, but not like what's coming. Artyom, remember, if you want to live, don't drop your guard for an instant, okay? Oh, that's impressive! I heard about this place. That plane was headed into Moscow when the whole city caught fire. The building where it crashed, that's the entrance to the theater. The ice is thawing up here. It's almost like spring, huh, Artyomich? Maybe we'll live to see the summer. Wait. There's got to be an underground path somewhere around here. The Rangers would never cross the square out in the open. Okay, we could walk down the wing here. Okay, so much for the sun. Those clouds moved in fast. There's the crossing. Let's head there. Hey, theatrical. Keep your headlight charged. Watch my back, cover your corners. Slowly now. Check for filters, Artyom. You wanna swap your mask? Do it fast. This poor bastard won't be needing his. Yeah. Take a little bit slow. Breath carefully. This is the standard shot of what wants to. But this fucking place of death makes me, wonder. Let's go out to the light. Check that service room. You okay, чувак? You're all covered with blood. Stop! Get down now! Watch me! You huge back. The storm must be driving them. I smell trouble. Stay calm, not too much. This spot to shreds. Shit! That was close. Okay, Artyom, no more tricks like that. Let's get to the plane before another pack comes through. Move it! I've heard stories about this place. Weird shit happened to me. Hey, try opening it, I'll give cover. Jammed? Bля, let's try together. Move. Look, Artyom, don't lose your head in here. You understand me? Okay, let's go. One ranger told me this was a flight from Mallorca. Family is returning from vacation, you know? You know, Artyom, I've never been to the sea, or even on a plane myself. Yeah, well, wasn't meant to be. I feel weird. Chuvak, are you seeing this shit too? Artyom, what is this? Ё-моё! Look! They're alive!
What the hell was that?
Shit! We're losing power! Engines are dead!
Power! Flight 76715 here!
We're almost at flash!
Ask them!
Shit! The tower's gone!
Коля! We're going down!
Speed!
Let's slow myself down! I can't get a reading! Oh my god! Shit! Shit! What's going on here?
Don't panic! We're gonna land! We're gonna...
Where? Breathe. I had to breathe. Smoke. Smoke. Too much smoke. Breathe. I had to breathe. Smoke. Smoke. Too much smoke. Where?
Well, yeah, if you hadn't woke me, I'd probably have suffocated, like the others did. What, like this? Like this one here? Okay, let's get out of this place now. Now! Artyom, go right. I think we'll find the entrance behind the building. Shit, the demon! Take it down! Fucking demon! Dude, you owe me one. You okay? Harry, you okay? Fucking what? As soon as we moved away from the plane, and we were almost there, huh? Get ready! They're moving in from the second floor! We have to move now! Follow me, faster! I'm here! Go! Give me a hand! Faster! More are coming! Bля, we gotta find the entrance! Above you! Under! Shit! Too many of them! We have to board the station! Get to the escalator! Hurry up! Move down! They're still after us!
Our short visit to dead Moscow, the phantom of the past, is over. Pavel and I helped each other out again and are returning down to the metro as real partners now. You can't survive the wastelands any other way. But now ahead of us lies a populated station, the theater. It's very close to Polis. If Pavel manages to lead me through the red line guard posts, I'll be home in less than an hour.
Okay, come on in. Sorry about that. Dangerous times, right?
We're going up soon. Are there many watchmen around?
We were lucky to get here. Okay, there's a nest in the building by the wrecked plane.
I wonder why it's such a bad dream today.
Oh, you want a nightmare? Well, it's waiting for you up there.
No sense going with just 3 men.
Artyomich, so, if it's culture you want, the Bolshoi is up there above us. All the actors who survived are here. Well, people come from all over the metro to see the shows they put on.
How could this happen? We've been in the Reich all our lives, and now we're freaks?
This happens all the time.
So, that's our plan. The station next to this one is Revolution Square. One of ours. Red. And Revolution is spitting distance to Polis. So, I, as a good communist, which I am, will vouch for you. They'll have to let you through, and you'll be home in no time. What do you think?
Are you the one they just told us about?
Yes, we are.
Great, come in then.
So, my Spartan friend, have a look around. There's plenty to see here, huh? I'll talk to my people and find you.
Perfect. Have a good rest.
But you do understand that we can't wait here forever. Look, I don't make the rules, okay?
Bullets to the last surviving theatrical critic. Bullets for mercy on your soul.
Here we sit, drinks, party lights, with all around us radiation, death, decay, endless war.
Death and decay.
Tonight's
That's exactly why we need theater.
Wow, that is a really appetizing smell you have,
Vitya, when did you come back?
Is it something new?
Where's Vitya? Why didn't he come over at once? Mushrooms, mushroom sauce. Hey, keep your hand out of the pot. Or you're getting smacked in the head. Why? What happened?
Show something we know!
Wow, that's a demon. So scary, just like the real thing.
A demon! Look at it flapping its wings! It's attacking! No, Dad says it flaps its wings like this when taking off. And my dad saw lots of demons. We're right, Uncle Misha. This is a demon?
Well, it's all right. Let it be a demon. But there used to be birds like that.
So, Nikitich, when do we become mutant father? You got enough money to last a week?
A week? 2 days, maybe. Then my life is over. And it took so long to save up. Oh well, good riddance. At least I had some fun in the end.
What? You give up already?
Well, the cases ain't new, but these are well made.
Look, I got money.
Well, come back if you need drinks are on me.
Sala regular, sala smoke, soel, lard, roast bacon.
Knives, silent and deadly.
It packs one hell of a punch, and is very stealthy if you use a silencer.
Serious firepower.
It's not a beauty contest winner, but it can use military-grade ammo.
portable hand cannon. Indispensable for self-defense. Oh, it's another stuff. Best prices around, I promise. Well, feel free to drop by. Leather! Best leather goods. Original design. Shrooms! Great shrooms! Can't find better stuff anywhere. Ammo and gear for sale. Bullets exchange. Good luck, man. Should buy some of these. Yeah, best stopping power of them all. Simply the best. Just buy. Can't find these anywhere else. Well, good luck. You're always welcome. This is great stuff. The best you find. You spend the entire day.
This is my place. This guy gets rolled over here since this morning.
First, you have everything like this. If you're so good, just sell us some stuff.
I don't know, it's prohibitive. Maybe I'll just get a drink
Artyom,
instead.
I made all the arrangements. We can go to the revolution now. They will let us in through the theater.
Anything counts. But hey, I won't twist you all. Just don't come to page the mind.
Hey, you! Stop! Show me your tickets!
Oh, sure. Come in.
Well, Stanislavski, you can watch the show if you like. I'll wait for you at the dressing rooms.
Maestro, if you'd be so kind. The catacombs. Anything like this before. I feel sorry for the other performers now. Their attempts at impressing the audience might fall short after such a spectacle. But I trust they will handle the race far above our expectations. And thus, our incredible show continues. This man spits in the eye of danger, challenges nature, defies the god of his new world, and proves once again that humanity is a master of all. A warm welcome for Leonid Burley, our animal trainer extraordinaire, with his, terror of our city. Hey, go! Ali, go! Let go! Ali! Stupid freak! Ali! Another most impressive victory as human intelligence triumphs over the mutants. Speaking of mutants, even our station has heard rumors of new species that were encountered at exhibition. Fearsome beasts, black as midnight, invincible, able to induce madness in anyone who saw them. But even those were no match for human ingenuity. The guys at exhibition had noticed they were brewing the wrong mushrooms. When they went back to the traditional recipe, the new mutants were gone like morning dew. Let us cheer for the heroes at exhibition! And tonight's show goes on. It is time to bring a lyrical mood to our show. We give you the genius of chamber music, the famous accordion player, Kolya Bazharny, with his masterpiece, My Heart Reaches for the Sky, but hits the ceiling and falls down the bottle. A round of applause, please.
Artyom! No? Enjoyed the show? Sorry, man. Time to move on. You patron of the art.
Pavel Ivanovich, so glad to see you. Where have you been? You don't like us anymore?
Helen, no, что? I'm totally in love with you girls, but I've been busy with work. I'm very, very sorry. I'll come back soon. I promise. Yeah, ты чуть-чуть губу.
Jana, let me use your powder.
In your dreams, you have your own. Use that.
It's no good.
Why can't your boyfriend buy you something better? Her boyfriend is cheap, that's why.
Artyom! Artyom! Looks like you're a bit woman hungry, huh? Well, yes, it's a hard life without a soft one. Anyways, I tell you, we should be going, but let's drink to the fact we're still alive, huh? It's on me, okay?
Here you are. Do over a special from the old stock, been infusing it for half a year.
Опа! That's great! So, let's drink, Artyom! Фу, хорошо прошла. Smooth stuff, huh? And this is a good place, but home is the best, you know? You know, I've traveled all over the metro and people talk all kinds of shit about the Red Line. That it's awful there, there's no food, that we shoot comrades for nothing, and you can't even tell a joke without getting arrested. Wait, let's have another drink. Here goes, Artyom!
Here it is.
Wow. So, yes, our life is a bit strict. One party, one leader, one ideology, but we have order. And everything is shared. Food, medicine, fuel, shelter. No rich men, true, but no beggars either. Another drink. And now, to equality. Come on, Artyom. No, пей до дна. Хорошо прошла. Where was I? Yes. Look at the far stations. They freaking eat each other, sell their kitted slaves. It's like the Stone Age. Left to his own devices, a man becomes a beast, you know? Order is all that matters. That's our salvation. So you can believe whatever, but I am red. I am red until the day I die. I drink to order. Блин. Come on, Artyom, come on! Bottoms up! Bottoms up! So, my friend, that's how it goes. Don't be mad, Artyom. Just doing my job to protect the Red Line. And you, Musketeer, are from the wrong side of the barricade. Private, take this comrade in.
Yes, Major, sir. Yes, sir.
Welcome back, Comrade Major!
It is private.